here is how we can get rid of the time limit on the iPad without the passcode. Let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, if you have anything locked with a screen time passcode in your settings, you can just obviously open up the settings app, go to the screen time, and if you have those things locked, like for example, if I want to change or turn off the app limits, I don't have the ability to do so because I have to proceed with the passcode. So in order to change it or get rid of the limits without the passcode, I actually have to reset it below. So if I scroll down inside of this screen time, you can see I have the ability to change the screen time passcode. So I can click on turn off or change, right? And I need to type in the existing one. But what I also have the ability to do is to tap on forgot passcode. And this is going to be able or allow me to use an Apple account. So you can see I can enter my Apple account to reset the screen time passcode. So I'm just going to type in my Apple ID and also the Apple ID password. So I'm basically going to go through with the Apple account like that. And then this is going to reset the screen time passcode, which is going to allow me to then change the code for the screen time and actually like disable it if I don't want it to be used anymore, and that way I don't have the thing locked anymore. So that's how I would be able to like remove the limits without the passcode, because I have to reset it the whole thing, and then it should definitely be able to be working properly. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads and videos like this, so stay tuned and I'm gonna talk to you soon.